So you might be having an issue where Instagram is just not letting you log in. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons as always, but usually why this happens is usually due to Instagram being down, you not actually logging in properly with your proper credentials, Wi-Fi internet connection, or you just need to update Instagram. So first of all, the first thing I'd recommend doing is seeing if Instagram is actually down. So what you can do is you can make your way over to a website that is kind of like downdetector.com, or you can just type in like sites and then down and see whichever specific one you can find. Usually I just go to downdetector.com, and what I do is I scroll down here until I find Instagram. Now usually if Instagram is down for a majority of people, all you want to do is look at the first few ones, and usually Instagram will be the first few ones that come up. But if for some reason Instagram isn't down for a lot of people, you'll probably find it down here. Now, if you see humongous spikes, like this is a pretty even line. If you see humongous spikes, that pretty much means Instagram is down, and you'll pretty much just have to go ahead and just wait until they fix it. But if it's something like this, and there's not really seeming to be huge spikes, you may just want to check the comment section of this video or check on Twitter. And if a lot of people are commenting at the same time saying Instagram is down, then it's probably just down and not many people have, complained about it yet. However, if that doesn't seem to be the issue, you may want to check your internet connection. So check your Wi-Fi connections, check your data connection as well, and all you want to do is make sure you're connected to a proper internet connection. A majority of the time, if you're having issues, this can possibly be the issue. So just make sure you're connected to a good cell signal or Wi-Fi connection, and that will at least alleviate that issue as well. Now, another thing you can try is seeing if Instagram has an update available. So what you want to do here is you want to make your way over to your Instagram or just your App Store or your Google Play Store, and all you want to do here is click the search bar, and you want to search up Instagram. So just search up Instagram like how I just searched up Instagram, and if you're able to see an update, all you want to do is click on update and update your application. Now there are chances where sometimes that may not fix it either, so you may want to go ahead and either reinstall Instagram, and all you want to do here is just delete Instagram and reinstall it, and that could end up fixing it. Or if you're still getting that issue where it's telling you something like error, like, hey, you're not able to log in, you may just want to double check that your account wasn't banned, that you didn't delete your account, anything like that, because sometimes if that ends up being the issue, you may not even realize it. So you may want to check your emails real quick, and that may end up fixing the situation as well. So that is pretty much how to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.